just got this put in to the Roush, which has never made an appearance on the channel until today. I did the brakes on this one a while ago, and now we got to put in the passenger seat.
It looks like they go
the driver's seat. We just need a passenger seat now. So yeah, I think that's what we're gonna do today. I'm not sure what else other mechanical work we're gonna do. Yeah, if you see over there, we got all the Mustangs here. So yeah, got some unpaid labor, and there's no food today. So yeah, we're gonna get started here in a few. So we have this side, which hasn't been bolted yet, but what we're trying to do is bolt this bar to the body of the car so that we have an actual roll cage or a roll bar for increased stability when cornering. Also, these seats are nice, bro. Got rid of the old seats. Also, new steering wheel. God, that is so nice. So this is the passenger seat. Where are the lights at? Oh, the lights are right here. These things light up apparently, but yeah, that is sick. Harness. I want to put that back before I break something. So yeah, got the harness. And yeah, I really like the color contrast. It's pretty nice. You've got your seat controls right here. Really nice. And then we're getting this bar connected to the car. More on that later. What is that?
Those bolts.
Oh, it's for the roof.
Yep.
Damn, that is sick.
You putting on the glass or the roof?
Roof.
Oh.
The glass will make sense.
Yeah.
Or actually,
Yeah, that's why I was telling you glass.
I think
I think it belongs there on the glass.
Hold on.
the glass looks a
You're
little
not
better.
lined up on the glass. Okay, now you're lined up.
Go to the corner.
Kind of got a little bit of a problem. So you don't know where it goes in at?
No, I actually don't, because I don't know what harness this is. I
Yeah.
don't know what harness bar kit
And
is.
apparently Chris doesn't keep the instructions. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm coming into this after somebody else's fuck up.
15 minutes and we've been here for 30 almost, and we haven't even gotten the bolt in.
Oh, shut the hell up. I'm coming into somebody else's shit.
After countless minutes of trying to troubleshoot the problem, we were left with no choice but to drill holes into the mounting plates so that they can mount properly, as we weren't able to find a place to put them. Got ourselves the carbon fiber rear louvers put on. Wow. Yeah. Oh my God, I almost tripped. Christopher Robert Santana. What are we doing?
Drilling more holes.
Into the mounting bracket?
Yep.
I see.
Christopher Santana?
It's Lord Christopher Santana?
Yes.
Oh, I'm
Actually,
sorry.
Lord Santana.
That's my bad. What we're doing now is putting mounting holes into the mounting brackets so that they have a perfect fit into the car, since when they came, they didn't have the right fit for them. So we have to basically drill holes so that they can fit properly. So we finally figured out the problem. We got this mounted.
I need the
pretty
Allen
firm.
wrench to fit this. Chris, I need an Allen to fit that.
So yeah, on to the next side. My bad. We're getting that in, and then we start with the other side. So we haven't really showed this car on the channel before, but well, we have at car meets, but never we've never done an individual video on the Roush.
Oh yeah, that's so much better. That looks so much better.
Anyways, new steering wheel, has the shift lights and everything, which is really nice, and I love this leather color with the Roush stitched into the middle here. But yeah, this car used to have an interior, now it doesn't. It's just metal, and then on the floor you've got metal, and then here metal. Everything has been stripped out. Back seats are gone, the roof, the visors, everything's gone out of here. So yeah, this is gonna be a proper race car soon.
This is out. Jinx, what I was thinking. Okay, so now we're gonna go back over here and do the same thing again.
Yep, so it's my time to get out. Yeah, you'll be fine. Just put the seatbelts on. You'll be chilling. You'll be fine. Seats are perfect back here. Chris!
What? This bolt is literally like not even the right one. So this bolt is not supposed to be here. This bolt's supposed to be here.
Jeez. Notice how this side has this bolt, the correct one, and then this side. I wonder who did that. Ryan, what are you doing?
He's spectating and observing. He is understanding and learning.
Yeah, he's being a good boy, right, Ryan? You're a good boy, right?
What the fuck? Exactly my point. I just rotated the whole fucking bar. God. He doesn't know how to tighten down. Bolts.
Bolts.
Only action you've got for a while, Brandon.
Alright, can you move your ass? My photographer and my video cameraman right now is in the way.
Yeah, I need to move. Chris, put that away.
Oh, fuck. Time for seats.
Yeah, let's go.
I felt that.
I didn't do anything. I don't know what you're talking about.
Yeah, I don't know what you're talking about. This guy. Fred, right here, we got the second bar. We already got this one in. It's pretty secure, so now we just got to do driver's side and then put the seat in.
I'm just redoing a couple bolts. The one who put it in before me ended up putting a couple bolts backwards. So now I'm going to read exactly my point.
Yeah. What the hell?
There we go.
Great. She has no fucking idea what the hell's going on, but she knows exactly what's going on. Okay. Christopher, what bolts did you use to mount this fucking thing on the side? Colored. These ones?
These are the black ones.
These ones? Yep.
Chris.
I think there's a problem with it.
Good boy.
I really think there's a problem with it. On the other hand, that we're kind of worried about. One way or the other, somebody's getting fucked.
Might have to censor that for the video. Beautiful, beautiful.
Not even close to where it's supposed to be mounted.
And now it's time to add the passenger seat to the Roush. And it was pretty easy, as all you had to put in was 4 bolts and the racing harness in the back. Oh, we got the passenger seat in, almost there. Just gotta get the bolt right there. Yeah. The seat has been installed, and we got the harness.
I was going to take it apart.
Yeah, and then got my seat already been installed. But yeah, new seats, they light up. And you bought these off Amazon, Chris? Yeah. Bro. So what are we doing now?
Taking all the bumpers so we can touch it up.
Oh yeah.
Make it at least semi-blue.
Yeah, just a little bit so that we can stop identifying this black bumper as blue. The last time you'll ever see this bumper is blue on this black bumper.
I'll stay on for long.
Yeah, that works. So, what you doing? You painting?
Finally found a color that matches.
And now we're getting it painted while we are fixing the front bumper or some pieces to the front of the car. But yeah, for now we're painting, so it's gonna look sick. Aw. Last of that, John.
Well,
I mean,
it's coming out better.
it's not black anymore, so
Look a little bit better, I guess.
yeah. But once we get it actually painted, though, it's gonna look a lot better. But this is just the concept. Passenger, please step out of the blue Mustang. Step out of your vehicle. Step out of the vehicle. If you don't step out, I'll shoot you. Maybe that's a little violent. So we got the front bumper off, and we just painted it in the back. We got this zip tied back to the bumper where it should be, so that it has some sort of underglow. So yeah, the bumper is going to be a little bit blue, but we'll see how it looks once we get it back on. Oh my god, wreaking havoc already on my street, bro. Watch, they're gonna go barreling down in here, bro. Oh my god. Got the whole squad, bro. Man, just for me, bro, y'all are too nice, bro. Holy fuck, bro. All for me, bro. Wherever the rally Mustang's at. You got a fake Mustang and a real Mustang. Yeah. Posted out at Wendy's. Got all the Mustangs here. I don't know where the rally Mustang went. I think it's at home. Yeah, it died. Chris, can you please hurry up? On our way to the meet. So yeah, that's the next video coming up next. So yeah, stay tuned for that.